Now, why Spocket? In a sea of dropshipping platforms, Spocket stands out for several compelling reasons, especially as we navigate the evolving e-commerce landscape of 2025. Firstly, and perhaps most crucially, Spocket focuses on US and EU suppliers. This translates to faster shipping times and higher quality products, which are absolutely critical for customer satisfaction and building a reputable brand. In today's competitive market, slow shipping from overseas suppliers is a surefire way to lose customers. Secondly, Spocket offers a vast selection of high-quality products across numerous niches, giving you the flexibility to build a store around your passion or identify profitable trends. And thirdly, their seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce makes setting up your store incredibly straightforward, even if you're a complete beginner. So, let's break this down into actionable steps. Here's your roadmap to starting dropshipping with Spocket in 2025. Step 1. Niche selection and market research. Before you even think about signing up for Spocket, you need to identify your niche. Don't just pick something you think is popular. Do your research. What are people searching for? What problems can you solve with your products? Tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, and SEMrush can be invaluable here. Look for products with consistent demand, a good profit margin, and manageable competition. Consider emerging trends, but also timeless products that will always be in demand. For example, eco-friendly products, smart home gadgets, or pet accessories are consistently strong performers. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it will be to target your audience and stand out. Don't try to be Amazon. Aim to be the best at something specific. Step 2. Choose your e-commerce platform. While Spocket integrates with several platforms, Shopify remains the gold standard for dropshipping due to its user-friendliness, extensive app store, and robust features. If you're new to e-commerce, Shopify is highly recommended. It handles everything from website design to payment processing, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Set up your basic store, choose a professional theme, and ensure your website is mobile responsive, a non-negotiable in 2025. Step 3. Integrate Spocket with your store. This is where the magic begins. Once your e-commerce platform is set up, head over to Spocket. Sign up for an account. They offer different plans, so choose one that aligns with your current needs, keeping in mind that you can always upgrade later. Then, navigate to the integration section and connect your Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce store. This process is typically very straightforward, often just requiring a few clicks and authorization. Step 4. Discover and import products. Now for the fun part. Finding products. Spocket's intuitive interface makes this easy. You can browse by category, search by keyword, or filter by price, shipping location, and even premium products. As you browse, pay close attention to product images, descriptions, and, most importantly, estimated shipping times. Remember, faster shipping is a major competitive advantage. Look for high-quality product images, as these are crucial for attracting customers. Don't just import everything. Curate your product selection. Aim for a cohesive product line within your chosen niche. Once you find a product you like, simply click Add to Import List. From your import list, you can then push these products directly to your online store with a single click. Step 5. Optimize your product listings. Just importing products isn't enough. You need to optimize them for conversions. Edit the product titles to be clear and keyword-rich. Rewrite the product descriptions to be engaging and highlight the benefits, not just the features. Use compelling language that speaks to your target audience. Add high-quality, professional images, and if possible, include video demonstrations. Consider adding customer reviews if you have any. Social proof is incredibly powerful. Set competitive but profitable prices, ensuring you account for your Spocket subscription, shipping costs, and marketing expenses. Step 6. Set up your payment gateway. You need a way for customers to pay you. Integrate reliable payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Ensure your checkout process is smooth, secure, and offers multiple payment options to cater to a wider audience. Transparency around shipping costs and return policies is also crucial at this stage. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Having a great store and amazing products is useless if no one knows about them. This is where your marketing strategy comes in. Consider various channels. Social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are ideal for dropshippers. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers in your niche. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your product descriptions, blog posts, and website content with relevant keywords to rank higher in Google searches. Paid advertising. Google ads and Facebook ads can provide immediate traffic and sales, but require careful budget management and optimization. Email marketing. Build an email list from day one. Offer incentives for signups, and use email to promote new products, sales, and special offers. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or guides related to your niche. This establishes you as an authority and attracts organic traffic. Start small, test different strategies, and scale what works. Focus on building a loyal customer base through excellent customer service and consistent communication. Step 8. Provide excellent customer service. This cannot be stressed enough. In the dropshipping model, you are the face of the business, even though you don't handle inventory directly. Promptly respond to customer inquiries, resolve issues efficiently, and handle returns professionally. Spocket's focus on reliable suppliers means fewer issues, but when they do arise, your handling of them defines your brand. Happy customers are repeat customers and powerful advocates for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.